dropping by. Hippie Robbie here, and welcome to my shop. Let's go see if we can get in some trouble in here. What do you say? Ah, there's old Yeller. Yep, he's already in trouble. So today I'm going to be installing a KLR lower dash. Has a voltage gauge of 12 volt hot point and 2 USBs and 2 switches. Amps. And I have a relay that I'm going to put on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says 30 amps. I would suggest a 20, but I have 30 and I'm going to use it. So what I'm going to do is wire this into the dash up to the battery so that when I turn the key on, it turns the power onto the KLR lower dash I'm going to install. If you can see it or not, there's a KLRDASH lower dash. I'm going to remove these 2 bolts on this side, these 2 bolts on this side, and install the dash and replace them. And I'll be back. Well, there's the relay. If you see it right there, yep, the relay's in there. I put it up on the dash. I use the hot wire off of, I don't know if you can see that, that's a hot wire off of one of the dash lights to pull the relay in. I ran a hot, you can see it come up here. I ran a hot and clamshell that came with the lower dash to, I don't know if you can see it there a bit, lighting's not the best, to the positive side of the starter relay. Then I came over here and I grounded it to the starter relay bracket just so I could stay away from the running up to the frame and stuff on the KLR battery. But now when you turn it on, I wired it with a switch just in case. It was already there, so I did. It brings it up and we're online. I don't know if you can see that. Then when we turn it off, we can turn it off with a switch. We can leave it on, turn it back on, it comes back on. Or if you wanted to kill them lights when you're running, or the whole dash, you can just turn it off. So far, so good. Use caution to get extended life out of your KLR lower dash. Use common sense when it comes to charging devices. The dash comes with a 10 amp fuse, but the wires can handle up to 15 amps. But it's up to you what size the fuse is used for overload protection. Alrighty, quick down and dirty. We have our ground on the battery, 12 volt ground. We have our power, which we're going to use a 12 gauge wire or the wire that came with the lower dash to go from the battery hot positive side to terminal 87 on the relay. We're going to wire in on number 86 to a dash lamp on the dash. So when we turn the ignition switch on, it powers up 86, which closes the circuit between 87 and 20, powering up the switch that comes with the lower dash, or if you're putting in your own dash, whatever you want to run the power to. This ground goes back to the ground of the battery, same with number 85. And that's basically how it's all wired up. Well folks, I'm going to wrap it up there. That's how I installed a 12 volt relay on a lower KLR dash. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do, and if you take your time, you've never done it before, I promise you, take your time, you got it. It's KLR. And that's why I like her. She's a simple old girl. Now if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified the next time I come on. I want to thank you so much for hanging out, and remember, believe in yourself, take care of others, and keep the peace. Until next time, I'll catch you then. Peace. You're a good boy, Murphy.